Got some good looking cleavers. I'll just take the tops off so the plant can still keep growing. Got some milk thistle. Beautiful looking stuff. Mustard. Starting to bolt. Still good to eat though. So we got fennel all around here. Lots of fennel. This is some old, probably last season's radish. This is what it looks like after it fruits and seeds. And it just keeps growing. We're gonna leave it though and let it grow. Here's some fresher looking stuff. I might harvest a little bit of this. Some more wild radish. Stuff just grows everywhere.